a couple of Scratch games, just simple, get you started with it. Okay? Let's start. Name this project Simple Apple Game. Whatever you want to name it. Okay. First, we're going to make a new sprite. We're going to choose the Apple sprite. Set it down to 75, because that's a good, 50 works best actually. So, sprite 1. You need to go in the event tab and drag a one green flag clicked. Then go into the control tab, drag forever loop. Then get for if blank, then whatever you want to call it. These things. I'm using Scratch add-on, so it'll look a bit different. Okay, you're gonna go in the sensing category, drag a one key blank pressed. Here we're going to use up, down, left, then right. Then on the motion category, we'll drag change X by 10 to the right arrow, and the left arrow do change X by -10. Same thing with the Y with up and down. Okay, I'm gonna want to put some background music. Go to loops, whatever music you want to use. For me, I want to use probably like Drip Drop or use Bossa Nova. It's a good song. Just go into the code and do for the backdrops and do one green flag clicked, forever, sound, play sound Bossa Nova until done. That is needed. If you don't do that, then, well, it'll just do this. Isn't it? Yeah, so then if you do that, I'm going to change the sound up a bit so that it immediately goes to it. I'm just gonna leave it as is though, just rapidly undo everything so it goes back to the original. Okay, just gonna delete this tiny thing though so it sounds there, sounds better. Okay, go back into Sprite 1, go to code, Then let's test our movement code. I forgot to do that. So we're gonna go to variables, delete the my variable. Then for this sprite only, we're gonna make variable called move speed. And then when the green flag clicked, before the forever loop, you gotta change it to the one you want. For me, I'm gonna do 7. For the positive values like 10 and stuff, like for up and right, you're just gonna place a simple plain old move speed. But for down and left, you're gonna wanna get an abs of block from the operators category, and then do abs of move speed. This will make it the negative of move speed. Wait, what? Wait, that should... Actually, for the ceiling... Wait, this is going wrong. You know what we're gonna do for this? We're gonna do move speed minus move speed times 2. So that equals -7, which is what we need. And if we want to change the move speed, we just have to edit that. But right now, just put it at the one you want. 7 is recommended. Not too fast. And Apple we're gonna place at 0, 0. aka the middle of the stage. And one green flag clicked. Forever. Wait, no. Motion. Go to X0, Y0. Then you go to sprite 1. And in the forever loop, get an if block. In sensing category, do touching Apple, then control, but then scroll up a bit to get into the vents and get a broadcast blank message broadcast block. I'm gonna get a new message and do get Apple. And in here you're going to do when I receive get Apple, go to random position. No, not search. Sorry. Can't forget to do go to 0, 0. Okay. Then let's go on green flag clicked, go to random position. Touch the cat once, but that's fine. Now go back into sprite 1, which we're gonna name player, so it's easier to find. Then on player, on the if touching apple, go to variables, make a new variable for all sprites named score. Then when green flag clicked, set score to 0. And when touching apple, change score by 1. Hide the move speed and put the score in the middle. Maybe double click it so it looks a bit better. And there's your game. Okay. Now we can save our project and share it out to the world. But I'm not going to do that because I already have one of these projects. Still going to share it though. So if you want to follow me, this is my username. Okay, let's create a new project. Simple run away game. Simple runaway game. We're gonna see inside the Apple game and just open our backpack, drag the script into there so that's saved, because I am not doing that. I did not make any changes. And go back into simple runaway game, get the backpack, and then put your scripts back in. Just gonna name this one player again. Okay. I like playing with this. By the way, this isn't recorded on April Fool's Day. I just use Scratch add-ons. You should use it. It's a good thing made by Griffpatch. Just makes things easier. Bring this down. Okay. So now we are gonna move speed exists here, right? Yeah. I'm gonna delete my variable again. Show score. Put it in the middle, like always. But then we're gonna choose a sprite. You can choose anything you want. I am going to go into animals and choose the dog. Evil dog. Now place it, make sure to place it far away from the player. I'm gonna set the rotation to left, right, so that it can only do that. And let's get a one green flag clicked forever. Motion point towards player. So look, so that it will always point towards the player. Point towards player, and we're gonna get a glide. 1 second to player, or whatever you want. Here I'm gonna do 1.5 seconds, so it's fair. So you could cheat by going here, but update, or you could just avoid the doggo. Yeah, that we're calling it. This is, yeah, I have a game on my account named Run From Doggo. That's why I said that. I'm gonna keep it as 1 actually. Go into the player sprite. If touching evil dog, then control stop all evil dog, and then after the glide 1 second, broadcast message score increase. Go into player, and when I receive score increase, variables change score by 1. Also, you're gonna have evil dog probably start in the corner somewhere. So in the motion category, put it wherever you want, as long as it's not touching the cat. And then boom, you have a simple runaway game. What? Ah, dang it. I'm gonna help you create hitboxes too. This will also be a hitboxes tutorial. Just kidding. I'm gonna save that for the next video. Okay guys, hope you liked my video. So anyways, goodbye.